companies need help to decide the right IT systems that match with business requirements. Today, too many options in the market which make them confused to choose which one is the best solution. Companies might have inefficient IT systems and operations caused by various types of servers, storage, and networks. Sometimes, IT systems have been added in a shallow way to meet ad hoc business needs. It creates the complexity and increases the total cost of ownership. Consolidation and virtualization have been widely implemented to address the issue. However, digital evolutions put pressure on IT to move faster and keep the system simpler to meet modern application workload requirements. Nowadays, customers have more options for data center solutions. Traditional IT systems is not designed to run both traditional and modern applications workload. It also has limitations to compute massive growth of structured and unstructured data. With modern application workload, you might think to modernize your IT systems to power the growth and innovation for your business. Integrated systems or appliances can enable IT teams to quickly deploy, manage, and scale the systems to follow the pace of business. It is designed to run certain workload. Another advanced technology is hyper-converged that has built-in technology for data efficiency using deduplication and compression technology, data protection with enterprise backup, rapid disaster recovery replication, and IT operations automation. This technology doesn't require specialized IT skill sets to manage the systems. To reduce complexity and accommodate various workloads, you might also consider to modernize your IT network. Helios, with years of experience and certified technical team in providing IT solutions, will help your company to modernize your data center infrastructure to align with your new business goals. We can help to assess your current IT infrastructure, design the solution, advise the right compute technology, implement the solutions, and manage the systems. Start your data center modernization journey with us.